I'm Matt Swanson, and I'm a water conservationist. I recently bought 2 rain barrels at a sale put on by my home city. I bought diverter kits from a local hardware store that divert water from my downspouts to the rain barrels. Now I use rainwater to water my gardens and lawn, and to pressure wash my deck and lawn furniture. Here are some instructions on how you can set up your rain barrel and diverter kit just like I did. First, you'll need to set up a stand for your rain barrel. It needs to be sturdy and strong enough to support the full weight of a full rain barrel, and most importantly, it needs to be level. In this case, I used 2 cinder blocks and a 2-foot square patio stone. I used gravel under the cinder blocks to level them. Next, mark your cut lines on the downspout based on the instructions that come with your diverter kit. I used a small level and a Sharpie to make my marks. Then cut the top and bottom lines using a hacksaw. I put a towel over a gas supply line to keep myself from cutting into it with the hacksaw. Once you've cut the section out, place your 2x3 to 3x4 adapters on each exposed end of the downspout. Take some silicone caulk and fill the gap between the inside of the bottom adapter and the outside of the lower downspout. This will prevent water from seeping out through the bottom of the diverter assembly. Now fit the diverter into the adapters. Use the provided screws to first fasten the adapters to the diverter. Then screw the adapters into the upper and lower portions of the downspout. Now we're ready to attach the spigot to the rain barrel. Make a mark with a Sharpie where you want the spigot. The spigot should be level with the diverter output. Using a small drill bit, drill a pilot hole through your mark on the rain barrel. Now you can use a 1-inch spade bit to drill the hole for the spigot. The O-ring at the base of the threads on the inside of the spigot should be seated on the outside of the rain barrel and fastened with the nut on the inside of the rain barrel. The final step is to attach the hose from the diverter to the rain barrel. Remove the cap from the appropriate diverter outlet and fit one end of the hose onto that outlet. Using scissors, cut the other end of the hose to the correct length so that it fits snugly onto the spigot attached to the rain barrel. Now you're ready to collect rainwater from the roof of your house. Don't waste precious municipal water on your gardens and lawn. Use the water that is delivered free by Mother Nature. And be a water conservationist like me.